This is 1B from your study guide. I want to graph y equals root negative x. So I'll go ahead and sketch my graph in. I do want to point out, one, we know that the root, actually I'll do it up here, we know that the root of x looks like that, kind of, and that it opens to the right. For example, I've got a point at 4, 2, because the square root of 4 is equal to 2. That's when I plug in x equal to 4. So here I've got root negative x, which I can't root a negative number, but if I plug in a negative 4 for x, so if I let negative 4 equal x, then, and I plug it into this thing right here, and I get y equals root negative 4. So I get a double negative there, which means that I get a root of a positive 4, which is 2. So that tells me that the point 4, 2, and maybe I can go like this, negative 4, 2, like that, shows up on my graph. And that's going to be the case for pretty much all of my negative numbers. I'm going to get a negative 1, 1 point. I'm going to get a negative 9, 3 point. And it's going to go out like that for a while. I guess I'll include one more point. That last point there is negative 16, 4. So I've got 4 points included there. I guess I can include 0, 0 as well, and then I don't need to include the negative 16. But the key here is that when I plug in a negative value of x, I can actually take the square root of negative x, which takes this graph here that we're kind of familiar with and flips it over the y-axis.